Good day, everyone. This is Sergey from Sirius, Russia. Thanks for watching. This is our portable multipolar magnetic structured water unit. This is a stainless steel one, and this is a gold plated and some colored gold metal. It can be used as a funnel to pass water through before drinking, and also other liquids such as juices, milk, soft drinks, and others. The unit will change the molecular structure of the liquid and make it into smaller clusters that penetrate into cells of humans, animals, plants much more effectively, providing a proper and healthy hydration. This structure is an energy SPA device which creates structured water. It provides oxygen-rich water and has healing properties. The unit contributes to overall strengthening and rejuvenation of the body. It supports good spirits, gives strength, energy, helps preserve beauty and health. The device is a bioactive magnetic system consisting of rare earth polygradient multipolar magnets combined with amber and rhinestone. Amber is a natural biostimulator, possesses unique properties, restores the human biofield, and gives it strength, health, and energy. Rhinestone, used for fine filtration, removes free radicals, ions, and heavy metals. When processing, takes biomagnets wave frequency resonance, creating a piezoelectric effect, and advanced water crystal form clusters, radically changing not only the water molecule and the information incorporated in it. The concept of SPA from the Latin expression sanus per aguam, health through water. There are more than 2 millennia. SPA is a part of a modern approach to healthy lifestyle aimed at rehabilitation and relaxation of the whole organism. SPA procedure using our series of devices contributing to the overall strengthening and rejuvenation of the body. So what are some of the effects, benefits of using something like this when you're passing water through the magnetic structure portable? Fills the water balance of body cells, moisturizes the skin, it normalizes and strengthens the immune system, helps in burning excess fat, stimulates the excretion of toxins from the human body. It also has cleansing effect on the endocrine and circulatory system, improves the blood circulation in the arteries, veins, and lymphatic vessels. It also improves intracellular fluid circulation, destroys large fat formation, and helps in reducing weight. It improves eyesight, restored the process of growth in natural hair pigments. So basically, it accelerates the healing and recovery from illness, improves sleep, removes of muscle joint pain, increases stamina, provides health and longevity. Inside of these portable structure units is basically a magnetic water structure that looks like this in a different size. So it is basically in there, and here is a multipolar magnet, so it's always plus minus plus minus plus minus, and between them there is amber and rhinestone crystals. You can see how it's floating back and forth because it's plus minus multipolar. Alright, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please contact us. We'll be glad to help by email, WhatsApp. We'll be glad to help you. Thank you and have a great day.